Ankita, can you locate me where is the skull? Kritika, can you locate me where is the rib cage? Okay. Shivam, where are the four limbs? All right. And Chaitra, where is the vertebral column? Yes. So it comes from the front or it comes from the back side? All right. Sanvit, can you locate me where are the hind limbs? Yes. Harsha, so how many bones are there in the lower leg, Harsha? First of all, locate me where are the lower legs? How many bones are there in one lower leg? Two. Can you name them? It starts with T. Fine, it's okay. Prithvi, can you locate? Can you tell me the names, the bones present in the lower leg? Very nice. Well done.